Is it best to plant a Japanese boxwood or English boxwood here in the Mid-South? And this is Ms. Harris from Memphis, Tennessee.
Well, English boxwood is it's Buxus sempervirens sofruticosa. Okay. And so, and it does not work well here at all. I only know of a couple of examples of English box. It's the box that's the most susceptible to boxwood blight for one, but it's also never really liked our Memphis heavy clay soils and our hot summers. So works well in England, but not here. So not here. I always discourage people from planting English boxwood. And interestingly enough, in Nashville, it seems to grow okay without the boxwood blight. So, but here it just doesn't like us. So I only know of a couple of examples in raised beds where people have been successful, and I think those plants are now dead too. So anyway, but you know there are a lot of cultivars of boxwood that are specific. I think some of the Asian boxwoods are probably better suited to the Mid-South. Green Beauty is a great one. Jim Stauffer is another one. Those are two really strong ones that'll give you that big green rounded form. Little Missy is a I think it's boxwood blight resistant, little short form that works well too. So there are a lot of options in boxwood, and I think all the breeders are actually switching to a lot of Asian genetics in their breeding because they tend to be more resistant to boxwood blight. But the English box is kind of the canary in the coal mine. If you want to find boxwood blight, it's going to be the first one.
It's going to be the first one. How about that? So no English boxwood here.
No English boxwood here in Memphis.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.